Hi students, good morning to all. So now we continue the same chapter, surface area and volume. In this surface area, so the subtopic 13.6, volume of cuboid and cube. Okay, so the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So this is already I told the volume of anything. What is the basic you need to means base area into height. Base area into height. So in a cuboid, what is the base? It seems to be, so this is the base, that is length and breadth. Okay, length and breadth. So L into B is a base area and multiple with the height. So you got length, breadth, height, cubic units. As the same, the base area of a cube. The base area of a cube is nothing but area of a square, because all the face it seems to be square. Okay, in a cube all the face is in a square. All the face is in square. So base area is also area of a square, that is a square, and multiple with the height, because all the edges is in the equal value into a. So now you get a cube. So volume of cube is a cube cubic unit. So by using this I have to move on to the exercise sums. Okay, illustration, that example sums we discuss in a live session, and you have to practice in your home. Okay, so the first one, a matchbox measures 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter into 1.5 centimeter. That will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes. Before I going to this solution, I informed to the students. So hereafter I have to discuss some illustration questions, that is example sums in a live class. Those who are not attend, please attend the live session properly to learn all the problems. Okay, in live session we have to discuss lot of things regarding examinations and your classworks, activity, everything. So don't miss to attend the live class. All should attend the live class without fail. Okay, now we move on to the solution. A matchbox is nothing but cuboid. A matchbox is nothing but cuboid. They have to given the dimension 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. So by this is length, breadth, height. So that's why I have to written like this. So length which is equal to 4 centimeter, breadth which is equal to 2.5 centimeter, height which is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So what we need to find out, what will be the volume of packet containing 12 such boxes. Okay, so 12 such boxes. So volume of 12 matchbox we need to find. So 12 into volume of one matchbox. 12 into volume of one matchbox. So 12 into volume of one matchbox is nothing but volume of cuboids, that is length into breadth into height, cubic units. You know what is the value of length, breadth and height. Just you directly substitute the values here instead of LBH. Okay, so 12 into length into breadth into height, I have to substitute everything. So 4 into 2.5 into 1.5. So 4 into 2.5 you get it 10. Okay, so now 10 into 1.5 you get 15. So what is the value? 12 into 15. So 12 into 15 shortcut in a way, in a distributive property, 12 into 10 plus 5 you can return. So 12 into 10, 120. Okay, so 12 into 5, 60. What you get? 180. So what is the value of this? 180. This is centimeter square, and 12 into 15, 180 centimeter cube. 180 centimeter cube. So what is this? Volume of 12. Volume of 12 matchbox. Volume of 12 matchbox is equal to 180 centimeter cube. Next we move on to question number 2. So question number 2, a cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? So 1 meter cube, it is 1000 liter. I have to just given a hint, because you must do this as a homework. Hint is nothing but they given directly. This is the cuboidal water tank. Cuboidal water tank. So what is the shape of the tank? It seems to be cuboid. You think we find the first we analyze what the shape is this cuboid. Next, what we need to find, how many liters of water can hold it. So liters of water can hold, that is volume of a cuboidal tank. So cuboid means L into B into H, cubic units. Okay, so you have to substitute the value and find the volume of a cuboidal tank. Finally, what you want to do, multiple with 1000, because 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. For an example, the volume of a cuboidal tank seems to be 158 meter cube. For an example, I told 158 meter cube. So it is in the volume value in meter cube. You must change this to liters. So what you need to do, you have to multiply with 1000 like this. 158 into 1000. That's all. There is nothing to do. So first you find volume of a cuboidal tank by substituting the values length, breadth, height as usual. You get one value in a meter cube. Okay. So how many liters of water can hold it? So total liters of water can hold it, which is equal to, you must multiply with 1000. For example, 158,000. So how many liters? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. That means 1,58,000 liters can hold it. So it is an example. This is not a correct answer. I will inform you how you change meter cube to liter. Simply you multiply with 1000, it convert meter cube to liter. So this second question you do it as a homework in your homework book. Now we discuss question number 3. A cuboidal vessel. Note down the points, my dears. Directly they given, what is this? Cuboidal vessel. Cuboidal vessel. That is cuboid. So we got the shape. Is 10 meter long. So long is nothing but length. And 8 meter wide. So wide is nothing but breadth. How high must it be made to hold 380 meter cube? So listen, if the vessel, we don't know the height of the vessel, but the long and wide we know, but we don't know the height. But it hold how much? 380 meter cube of a liquid. 380 meter cube of a liquid. 380. So you can see this is the capacity of the vessel. Capacity of the vessel. Okay. Capacity means volume. Capacity means volume. Capacity, volume. So we need to find out the height. So we got the shape and some measurements and the volume. Okay, the given value, length which is equal to 10 meter, breadth is equal to 8 meter, and what's the given volume of vessel, that is capacity of a cuboidal vessel is equal to 380 meter cube. We need to find a height. So height we mention h. Okay, volume of a vessel. So volume of a which vessel? Cuboidal vessel. That is L into B into H, which is equal to 380 meter cube. So what is the value of length? That is 10 meter long and then 8 meter wide. We need to find out the height, that it hold 380 meter cube. So height which is equal to 380 meter cube divided by 10 meter into 8 meter. So you can check with this, it becomes 38. Now you can cancel this 2, you get the values. So 38 meter divided by 8. So it can divisible with the 2 tables 4 times, and then 1 2 is to 9 times. So now you can see 19 is a prime number, but you division with 4 as usual means 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. How much remaining? 3 point. So 30, 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2, 5 4s are 20. So normally you division with the 4 means you got an idea. So 4 4s are 16. Okay, remaining 3. So you put one decimal point 0. So how many times? 7 times. You take 28, remaining 2. Already you have a decimal point, you add 1 0. How many times? So what is the height? Height, it seems to be 4.75 meter. So this is the height of a cuboid vessel. This is the height of the cuboid vessel. Now we check. We can check with this values. So 10 into 8 into 4.75. This is the value. Okay. So 10 into 4.75 becomes 47.5 into 8. Now you normally multiply 8 5s are 40, 0, remaining 4, and then 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 4, 60. Okay, remaining 6, and then 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6, 38. So how many decimal point? Only one decimal point, 380. So already in a given values the whole it contains 380. So we find the height of the cuboidal vessel is correct. Okay, next question number 4. So it shows the hint. You can understand this question also. It seems to be your homework. What is the hint means? By using given values, first you need to find the cuboidal pit, volume of a cuboidal pit. You know the formula, that is length into breadth into height as usual. Same you have in a question. You have length, breadth, height. This 3-dimensional value is there. You just multiple and you find the volume of a cuboidal pit. Okay, so cost of digging. So digging means what? Of you need to make one cuboidal pit by digging. Okay, so you need to pay to the labor rupees 30 per meter cube. Rupees 30 per meter cube. So finally you multiple 30 with volume of the cuboidal pit, you got the total cost you pay to the labor. Okay, by using labor only you have to dig the ground to make a cuboidal pit. Okay, so you must pay to that labor rupees 30 per meter cube. That is 1 meter cube is equal to rupees 30 rupees. 1 meter cube is equal to rupees 30. So that labor can dig that the volume of the cuboidal pit, it seems to be 100 meter cube. Means how much the cost? That 100 into 30. Simply you multiply with 30, you get 3000. So for an example, 3000 rupees you need to pay to the labor to dig the ground to make a cuboidal pit. Okay, so by using the given values you must find the volume of a cuboidal pit and multiply with the 30, you get the total cost of the digging. Okay, so question number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. That is length and depth, that is height. Okay, the given volume, that is capacity of a cuboidal tank, is nothing but volume of a cuboidal tank, and height and breadth. Okay, sorry, length and height, we need to find out the breadth. So find the breadth. Okay, directly we move on to the solution. What they given? That is length. Length L, which is equal to 2.5 meter, and then depth is nothing but height. So height, which is equal to how much? 10 meter. And what's capacity of a cuboidal tank? These are the given value. Capacity of cuboidal tank, which is equal to 50,000 liters. So they have to given in a liters. So capacity of a cuboidal tank is nothing but volume of cuboidal tank. So capacity, volume both are same. Okay, capacity of cuboidal tank is nothing but volume of cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters. Okay, in a previous sum I have to explain to you, you must change meter cube, that is meter cube to liters means you must multiple with 1000. This is the condition. For example, 1 meter cube which is equal to 1 into 1000. Okay, but you need to convert liters to, that is 1000 liter which is equal to, you must convert this liter to meter cube means 1 divided by 1000. Okay, this is the basic concept to change over meter cube to liter and liter to meter cube. So they have to given through liters, but we always find out the capacity, that is volume of a cuboidal tank by meter cube. So now you need to convert this liters to meter cube. What you have to do, you must divisible by 1000. You want to divide by 1000. So 50,000 divided by 1000 into meter cube. So you have to cancel it everything. You got 50. Okay, 50 meter cube is equal to 50 meter cube. So now it convert to meter cube, that is capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50 meter cube. Okay, so now you compare, that is L into B into H which is equal to 50 meter cube. So what are the values you got it? You have length and height, you need to find out the breadth. So you breadth you keep it as same. So 50 meter cube divided by L into H. So 50 meter cube divided by, so what is length and breadth? 2.5 meter into 10. So now you can multiple with this 2, you got 25. So 50 meter cube divided by 25 meter square. So it is very easy to cancel. So meter square, meter cube, now only 1 meter. So 125 is 25, 225 is 50. So the breadth which is equal to how much? 2 meter. Okay, so the breadth of cuboidal tank is 2 meter. Now you can check everything. So 2 into, that is 2.5 into 2 into 10. So 2 into 2.55, 5 times are 50 meter cube. We got the same 50 meter cube. Okay, remaining questions we will discuss in a live session and in a next video. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை ட்ரைன்